Good morning, student. Today we solve exercise number 20C. Okay, exercise number 20B is not in your syllabus. Okay, so we study only exercise number 20C, not 20B. Okay, so in this exercise we have to understand the area and perimeter of circle. This is the circle. This is the center O. And this is the boundary is called the circumferences. Okay, this boundary is called the circumferences of the circle. And circumferences, distance from the center to the circumferences is called the radius of circle. This is the radius. Center point. This is, we make one circle from the center, and from center to the circumferences is called the radius of circle. Now diameter, what is diameter? Diameter is 2 into radius, means 2r. D is equal to r. Diameter is equal to multiply radius, means 2r. 2 times of radius, means suppose this is r and this is also r. OB is equal r and OA is equal r plus r, 2r. So from AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. So diameter is equal 2 into radius. R plus r is equal. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. You know very well. This is the chord, this is the chord, and this is also chord. So we call that diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Now area of circle. Area of circle is equal pi r square. With the help of this formula, we can find the area of the circle. Diameter, circumferences. What is the formula of circumferences? Circumference is 2 pi r. The circumferences, formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Okay. So in this chapter we have to find the area of circle, circumferences. Circumferences means parameter. Area, the parameter of circle means circumferences. So 2 pi r. Okay. So exercise number 20C, question number 1 is find the diameter of the circle. Find the diameter of the circle is given 28 centimeter. We have to find the circumferences and area of circle. Diameter is given 28 and we have to find the circumferences. The formula of circumferences is 2 pi r. Okay, so first we find the what is the radius of the circle. Okay. Because diameter is given, the formula of diameter is 2 into radius. Okay, your diameter is given 28. So r is equal 28 upon 2 is equal 14 centimeter. Means radius will be 14 centimeter because diameter is given. So first we find the radius of circle. Then we have to find the circumferences. So what will be the circumferences? So put the value of 2 pi. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and r is equal 14 centimeter. So 7 to the 14, 2 to the 4 into 22 is equal 88 centimeter. Means circumferences will be 88 centimeter. Now in the second part you have to find the area of circle. Area is equal pi r square. So pi means 22 upon 7 into r 14. 2 times because 14 is square. 7 to the 14, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 into 14. 616 centimeter square. The area of the circle will be 616 centimeter square. Okay. Now question number third. The sum of the circumferences and the diameter of the circle is 116 centimeter. Find the radius. Sum of the circumferences. Okay. So sum means plus. Circumferences means 2 pi r. And the diameter. The sum of the circumferences and the diameter is given 116. So 2 pi r. Diameter means 2r. 116 diameter. The formula of diameter is 2r. Now take 2r common. So pi plus 1 is equal 116. R, pi means 22 upon 7 plus 1 is equal 116 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So R take LCM 7, 22 plus 7, 58. So R is equal 58 into 7 and 22 plus 7 is equal 29. So R is equal 29 2s are 2 7s are 14. R is equal 14 centimeter. Means the radius of the circle will be 14 centimeter. Understand? Okay. Means the circumferences plus diameter is given 160. So diameter 2r, then we solve it. So radius is equal 14 centimeter. Okay, now we try question number 4. Question number 4 is the radius of the two circle 25 and 18 centimeter. No, for question number 4 and question number 5 are same. Okay, so first 4 is simple. We try question number 5. The radius of the two circles are given 48 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So find the area of the circle which its circumference is equal to the difference of the circumferences of the given two circles. Means radius 48 centimeter given and second radius given 13 centimeter. The circumferences is equal the difference between the two circumferences of the given radius of the circle. मतलब जो सर्कल की रेडियस दी है उनके circumferences का डिफरेंस एक थर्ड सर्कल की circumferences के इक्वल होगा. So first take 2 pi common. So R 2 pi common, R1 minus R2. 2 pi and 2 pi cancel. So R is equal R1 minus R2. R1 is given 48 centimeter and R2 is given 13 centimeter. So R is equal हो जाएगा कितना 35 centimeter. This is the radius of the bigger circle. Now you have to find the area of circle. So area is equal pi R square 22 upon 7 into R. R we find 35 square. So 35 into 35. 7 5s are 30. Okay, so multiply this 20 into 175 is equal 3850. When you multiply 22 into 175, so answer will be 3850 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Okay. Okay, now we solve question number 8. A circle of the largest area is cut from a rectangular piece of cardboard with a dimension of 55 centimeter and 42 centimeter. Means one cardboard is given 55 centimeter length and 42 centimeter breadth. Now you have to cut one circle from this largest circle. You have to cut from this circle. So find the ratio between the area of the circle cut, means जितना area circle cut होगा, upon the area of the remaining cardboard. Remaining cardboard means this. This is the remaining cardboard. One circle you have to cut from the rectangular cardboard. So the largest circle you have to cut from this cardboard. The breadth is 42, means that this circle diameter will be 42 centimeter, and this is also 42 centimeter, because circle radius will be, diameter will be same in the one circle. So this will be 42 and this will be 42. So first we find the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal length into breadth. Length 55 and breadth 42, means 2310 centimeter square will be the area of this particular cardboard. Now the area of circle, the diameter is 42, then the radius will be 21 because we divided by 2. 42 divided by 2 is equal 21. Means the radius will be 21 centimeter. Now we find the area of circle. Pi r square 22 upon 7 into radius 21 into 21. 7 3 are 21, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6. 66 into 21 is equal 1386 centimeter square will the area of the circle. Now we have to find the ratio of the remaining area of circle upon remaining area. So first we find the remaining area. So total area minus area of circle. Total area 2310 and the area of circle 1386 minus this, so 924. Area will be the remaining area of the cardboard. Now ratio, so 1386 means area of circle upon the remaining area. Now reduce it, so we get the 3:2. The ratio will be 3:2. Okay, so first we find the area of cardboard, then area of circle, then we subtract both the value, then we find the ratio of the question.